In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication in Hostinger. If you no longer want to use two-factor authentication on your Hostinger account, I'll walk you through the process clearly and quickly. Just keep in mind that turning off two-factor authentication removes an extra layer of security from your account, so only do this if you're sure it's the right choice for your situation. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to your Hostinger account dashboard. Once you're inside the account area, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the security option and select it. This will take you to the section where your account protection settings are managed. In this area, you should see the two-factor authentication setup listed among the security options. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct section, since this is where important login and protection settings are stored. Once you locate the two-factor authentication setting, look for the button labeled Turn Off. Click that button to begin disabling two-factor authentication on your account. At this stage, Hostinger may ask you to confirm the action before the change is completed. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen prompt to finish turning it off. This is a normal security measure to make sure the account owner is the one making the change. Once the process is complete, two-factor authentication will be disabled, and your account will no longer require that extra verification step during login. That means signing in may be faster, but your account may also be less protected against unauthorized access. As a helpful tip, if you decide to turn off this feature temporarily, consider turning it back on later when you're done with whatever task required the change. Features like two-factor authentication are designed to improve account security, especially for hosting accounts that may contain website files, billing details, or other sensitive settings. And that's it. The process is very simple. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, go to Security, find the two-factor authentication setup, and click Turn Off. If this video helped you, you can follow along again anytime you need a quick refresher.